Silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku Ungu Utongoi wake Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti Niyendeka Yailye Maundu ma Uthukumi na Muno Uiiti Isioni Kivathukanyo Ukamba wa Athiriver Kwianana na Mweenekivila wa Ngwatanio ya Atiii ma Ndini ya Kisilaamu Supkem Kauntini ya Masaku Abdi Juma ni Kana Vethiitwe na Uleelu Uthukumini undu ula utumite enende matatania matunda ma Silikali sia mitioko. Juma anena itina wa umbano we mwanya na ene yanda Kivathukanyo ula watwaiwa Athiriver Kauntini ya Masaku. Daniel Mwangala ni wavika umbanoni usu na atumbanisia Yailye.
Ngwatanio ya Atiii ma Ndini ya Kisilaamu Kauntini ya Masaku ya Supkem Utongoi ni mwandiki munene wa ngwatanio ino uvungi wa Masaku Abdi Juma nienda Silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ithukumia undu vailite ukalikoni wa malelu kisomo na kwailia maundu ma Uiiti sivitali ni Kivathukanyo Athiriver valayu ene nthi methitwe mailasimika kuthoa ndawa na sindu ingi sia vatanza wa sivitali isu.
The Ministry of Health should be utilized in order to improve the operation of the facilities. We have cases whereby people go to hospitals, then they are referred to go and do tests outside the hospitals, and this is very expensive. The county government should automate the revenue collection, especially at the quarry. Water, improve water provision in Mlolongo. Health, Mlolongo level 4 and the health facilities in Athiriver should be improved. 4, roads, Syokimau, Chadi, Quarry roads should be improved. The sewer system in Mlolongo has no sewer system. Security issues should also be addressed, especially in Makadara Road. Support of Muslims in their development endeavors, like building of mosques, schools, need support just like other organizations are supported by our leaders.
Inki ni wande na uthingila bata wa kulunga maundu ma kisomo skulu ni sionthe cia Silikali no kaunti ya Masaku na ingi ya Isilaamu kona wanthini wa maundu ma maendeo ndagwetekana kuvikia vu no talo munini wa Isilaamu ukonetwe nthini wa maundu ma Utongoi na mawaluni ma maendeo kwitha mataende undu vailite.
Bursary allocated is not adequate given at 3,000 for primary and university at 5,000. This is very little. Provincial for IRE in schools should be taken care of. Muslim girl uniforms. Then TSC Amendment Bill of 2024. Then construction of classroom for the IRE lessons, especially in St. Augustine Primary School, where our children are learning out in the sun. About marginalization, we'd like Muslims to be included in the committees. We'd also like Muslims to be given job opportunities, because we believe that as Muslims we are marginalized.
Manena ishinu wakikaluki mwana chikila chaete ene sianda Kivathukanyo kila chatwaiwa Athiriver Kauntini ya Masaku. Daniel Mwangala, Utongoi TV, kuva Kauntini ya Masaku.